Hello friends, welcome back to myexplanation.com. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add your link or your website to one of your Padlet using Padlet Mini. Okay, Padlet Mini. This is Padlet Mini. And first, open the website that you want to open. For example, youtube.com. Okay, this youtube.com. Okay, you want to add this website, this youtube.com website, to one of your Padlets. Click this, you click the Padlet Mini application or extension, and then click post here. Or you can just make another Padlet here too. You can just click post here. And then you can view it. See, there's a tick. It means it is already posted there. And then you can just visit your Padlet that you have already added that website. And then there it is. This is the one that we have already added. Cool, right?